know anything about 3D printing, anything about this. I mean, it's completely new audience.
Okay, first I would like to introduce the low temperature 3D pen. The pen usually use 3D pen use ABS or PLA. The temperature is very high. Usually it's nearly 200 and the tip is very hot. Easy to hurt children. We're developing a low temperature plastic filament. We call the eMorph. The printing temperature just 80 to 100 is very low, and also the tip less than 50 degrees Celsius is very safe for children.
Right.
Also, finish, you print something, you don't like it, you want to throw away, then maybe a lot of rubbish, no need, you can put into the hot water, for example, 80 degrees hot water, it will melt again, and you can reshape something, for example, reshape something by yourself. Okay, that's for the 3D pen, also low temperature filament. Okay, that's one. And also esun is a very famous filament producer, manufacturer. Globally, we have a lot of customers. Maybe we, for example, Loosebolt is one of our customers. We produce filament for Loosebolt. Yeah, that's one. Another one also for our distributor, we with esun's logo to sell a lot of kinds of material. We have a PLA plus. Plus usually is stronger and then no standard PLA. And we have ABS and ABS plus. ABS plus is less warping. It's very nice. Also we have, for example, copper. We call this e-copper with 60% copper powder inside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very heavy, more like copper. Yeah. Okay, this one. This is a color change by UV. If under sunlight, it will turn into pink. The color will change.
Nice. Okay.
PTG is food contact safety material. Also, not so order. It's easy printing and very strong. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Also, this one, a lot of customers like it. PTG want to replace ABS. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. It's very good. Also, we have flexible. You can find. We call this eFlex because from esun. Yeah, it's very nice. Plus filament. What's more? So this is the copper, aluminum. More like polish, more like aluminum, not polish. Yeah.
Right.
This is PC, EPC. PC is a kind of industrial plastic. It's very strong, but usually PC the melting temperature is very high, maybe more than 280. So not so easy for the standard printer, desktop printer. We modified the material. The printing temperature now similar to ABS, easy printing.
Okay.
Some of them. Yes. Let me see. And then we have wood. More like a wood. Yeah. And bronze. Bronze. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's
Okay. I see pellets there. Is that for? You sell pellet form?
Pardon?
The bag with the pellets.
This one? Okay. Also this one we produce this one for we call this is polymer. Put into the water, hot water, it will melt and reshape again. Can be handmade something.
Right.
Okay. We call this polymer. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Cool. What's the website where someone would go to order one of your pens or order your filaments?
You mean
website, where would they go to get information?
Oh, okay. We have information on this website, esun3d.net. Yeah.
esun3d.net.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.